Ребята, в атаку!
I'd be going crazy.
Oh!
He's got no idea. I'm in love with the boy next door. It's the boy next door. It's the boy next door. I'm in love with the boy next door. It's the boy next door. It's the boy next door.
Ah, いらしたんですか、リムル様。そう。
こいつらはシオンたちに許しを与える必要はなさそうだ。
The people of this world would find it difficult to understand, let alone react to his attacks.
I'm afraid there's more. The light was swift, and it took the lives of many, but it couldn't compare to what came next. In a mere instant, the entire battlefield fell deathly silent.
What do you mean by that?
It's exactly as I said, my lady. I know not the number it took, but those who survived the light were all struck down the very next moment. The only ones lucky enough to be spared were myself, Razan, and King Edmaris.
A catastrophe.
A slime, normally seen as the weakest creature in existence, was able to create a nation, defeat an army of 1,000, become a demon lord, a being that can annihilate an entire kingdom in an instant. A mere slime was able to grow powerful enough to warp reality. And the name of this slime is Rimuru Tempest.
It was as good a moment as any, as well as a small test. I made an attack towards Velgrind. A single strike from that sword had pierced the heavens and split the seas. Literally. The deadly shockwave bore no resemblance to the swing of a sword, and it severed Velgrind's wings in the middle of his evasion.
slime. He had the strength of a true demon lord, and because of us, he was able to obtain the souls required and ascend to that title.
I see. Then it seems likely. Rimuru is now a true demon lord.
Little do you know that you've gone too far. You've managed to anger the one person whose rage you should fear the most. You have my sympathy. I doubt your death will be painless.
I wiped them out.
Meaning?
I destroyed the kingdom of Balmut's whole army. Just completely annihilated them. I'm going to Is anybody here opposed? If so, I'll take them on.
No, have at it.
Sui's been evolving at a steady rate. Baby slime, slime, big slime, and now we've reached huge slime. Will Sui keep evolving like this?
Most likely. The final evolved form for slimes is the Emperor Slime.
The Emperor Slime, huh? That sounds really powerful.
If we both stay alive, I'm sure we'll meet on the battlefield. We will not. While you waste your time with us, our ruler is making his way toward that very battlefield. Little do you know that you've gone too far. You've managed to anger the one person whose rage you should fear the most. You have my sympathy. I doubt your death will be painless.
楽に死ねると思うなよ。お前はもう詰んでいるんだ。